a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a hop in the ride. No suicide, yeah, yeah. Slow it down. Dirty spray, yeah, yeah, yeah. My bitch don't kill me.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a wig review. This is from RPGSHOW, established in 2006. This is the box that this unit came in. Just a nice, simple, sturdy black box. Inside of this unit, you're going to get a flyaway wax tamer. You're going to also get some instructions about your wig in your order, and this is a 16-inch silky texture, constructed a 13x6, 200 density, and a Swiss lace in light brown. I'll leave all that information down below for you guys. You also get a wig band, a stocking cap, and a RBG magazine, which I really love, and also a wig bag. I love that by RPGSHOW. I love their wig. RPGSHOW has been around since 2006, so they are definitely the GOAT in the game. I love their colors. I think RPGSHOW is like one of the only company that probably not the only, but I really like the way they dye their wigs. So this unit comes with a part down the middle. I'll insert the picture on the side right here. I don't know if I'm going to keep it in the middle, y'all, because you know I'm not a middle part type of girl. I'm a flip over type of girl, but we'll see. I'm going to go ahead and cut the ear tabs off. The lace is nice and sturdy. I need to clip my hair up some way, somehow, and we're going to go ahead and cut the lace off on the side so we can fit our, cut the ear tabs off, because the ear tabs are a little too long. So we're gonna go ahead and cut them off, and then we'll go ahead and install this unit. But the color is pretty. Y'all know I love this color. This is, I used to be the girl that really don't like color, but this is the color that I really can wear. I really like it, but I definitely may do a flip over method just because that's what I like. But I'll show you guys how the part down the middle look. It has a really long middle part. The sides are not as long as the middle part, so yeah. But the flip over method, I know it'll hit, but I'm gonna show you guys how the middle part look as well. I did not pluck this unit, I did not bleach this unit, I did not do anything with this unit yet. I may have to pluck it a little bit in the front, maybe a little bit, just so it don't look super boxy. It don't look boxy, but I just like my edges to look a little bit more natural. But look at the lace, so beautiful. And this is a Swiss lace. So let me go ahead and clip this back, and we'll go ahead and cut the ear tabs off. Yeah, I'm sitting here stuffing my face and drinking my coffee. Okay, so now that the wig is pretty much cut, the ear tabs are pretty much cut, I'm gonna do some plucking, just a little bit of plucking. So all I do, the hairline is flawless, y'all, but me being me, I like to thin my hairline out a little bit more. So before I even glue this down, I'm gonna pluck it a little bit. I got chips on my lip. The side, I must say that the side don't have a lot of lace on the side. It's like the track is like right here, so you can't really do a side part, but a middle part you definitely can do. But that's the style, that's what you're supposed to do, because that's the style that it come in. It's just that you could do a flip over, what I'm gonna do, but this wig is for you to wear it as a flip over or a middle part. So yeah, just like that. You see, this is the unplugged side, and this is the plug. So it's not like necessary, it's just that I know me. I'm a little picky when it comes to my laces. I don't think I ever like just put on a lace without plucking it like a little tiny bit. We're gonna be using these two products, of course, that I always use, and then we're gonna be using, so we're also gonna be using the Even Wonder Lace Melting Spray as well. So we're gonna be using this at the end. So I'm gonna go ahead and let the music play so you guys can see me do this. You guys always see me do it. I don't take the glue and put it directly on my head. I kind of layer it with the back of my comb. First I lay my glue down first, and then I put the Even on. So before you lay your lace down, you want to make sure that you clean your forehead. You don't want any type of makeup there. You see all that makeup right there? You don't want that when doing your hair to get a flawless install. Alright, so we got our layers of glue on. I'm gonna just pull it up to position it where we want to position it. Pull this up a little bit more. Sometimes I put my lace too far back, girl, and it be looking crazy. You don't want to do that. You don't want to put it too far back, but you also don't want to put it too far up. You kind of just got to eyeball your lace. Okay, I'm just gonna re-clip this back. Then I want to take my eyebrow archer and cut. And I do like to cut my lace a little bit on the messy side, but that is like blending into my scalp really good. Okay, you guys, so the unit is pretty much glued on. And if you see that little ash line, that is because I took all the makeup off of my forehead. But when I do my makeup and stuff, it won't look like that. It's just like, yeah. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna melt this hairline. This is gonna give me a double melt, and then I'm gonna tie this hair down. So I'm gonna be using the Wonder Lace spray, and I love this technique. I saw this technique on TikTok and it works really, really good. So I just sprayed a little bit out. I didn't spray it directly on here. Then I'm just gonna go around and I'm gonna just put some of this on the back of the comb and just put it on the lace part. See how everything is melting now? And then we're gonna tie it up for about 10 or 15 minutes. And you're gonna get that like really flawless melt look. I'm gonna dry this a little bit, but look at that lace, y'all. Look at my hairline. It looks so good. So good. Cause I want to make it super tight right now. because you want that really flawless melt. So the first time around, you might want to just make it really tight. Ooh, that's super tight. Oh my gosh, this is so tight, y'all. I can't take it. It's only been like 3 minutes, but ooh, it's so tight. It's so tight. It's so tight. Oh my gosh, it's so tight, but it's laid. It's laid. It's laid. It's laid. I don't want to use too much wax because you don't want your hair to be super oily or greasy. But the wax stick really helps lay the hair down. As soon as you put the hot comb on it, it kind of helps lay it down. And I love this length. This length is so classy. So classy. Okay guys, so now that the hair is pretty much styled how I like it, I'm going to just add some really simple curls. Nothing too major, just some simple curls. Okay, you guys, we're looking like Curly Sue. That's not the curls I be liking to go for, but this is just gonna get the shape of the hair right. And that's what we want. So now that the curls are there, we're gonna go ahead and brush out these curls, because we do not want those Curly Sue type of curls. That's all. So this is the way you're supposed to wear the hair when you get the hair. Well, you can wear it any way you want, but this is how the hair comes. Let me just get the part right, girl. Oh, this don't look great. So when you get the hair, it's gonna look like this on the website. This is how you're supposed to like wear it, which is really pretty, super versatile. You can definitely wear it like this as well. This is how you're supposed to wear the hair. So this is how the hair look with the part down the middle, which is super cute. Love it. So classy, so pretty.